We're going to go through setting up Scan to Folder on Windows 7 for a Canon imageRunner Advance. So the first thing we want to do is create our folder. So we're going to open up our File Explorer here, go to our C drive, and here we want to create a new folder. And you can name this whatever you want. Scans is typically what most people name it. Once you have your folder created, you're going to right-click, go to Properties, and then we're going to go to the Sharing tab. Here you want to click the Share button. In the drop-down, select Everyone and Add. And then for the permission level, we're going to change this to Read and Write. And then click Share. And then Done. Here we want to make sure to copy this computer name. So highlight that and copy. You go ahead and close that. Next, we're going to go to the web interface for our copier. So you're going to need the IP address of your copier. Do not use this one here. Type that in a web browser, and it should bring you to your login page. Now your user ID, system manager ID, and PIN should either be 7654321 or 1234567. If neither of those work, you will have to place a service call to have that reset. Go ahead and click Login. And once you're logged into the machine, you're going to go to the address book. And here you're going to select the address book you want to use. We're going to go to this one, and we're going to register a new destination. In the Type drop-down, we're going to change this to File, and then click Set. As you see, it changes down here to SMB. Under Name, just type in the name that you want to show up on the copier. Host's name is what we copied earlier, the computer name. And then folder path is just the name of the folder we created previously. Username, this is the login name of your computer. And then also you will need the password when you log into your computer also. Once you put that information in, click OK, and then send a test scan. That test scan should then show up in your scans folder. And then also we can create a shortcut on your desktop for that. Just right-click, create shortcut. Windows 7 will tell you you can't create it here, but it'll ask if you want it on the desktop. Just hit yes. And from this point forward, you'll just have to go into this folder and your scans will show up there. Send your test scan. As long as everything goes through, everything is set up correctly. A couple of tips: if your scans don't go through, typically it's either a virus protection that's blocking it or possibly a firewall, and you may have to adjust those settings or talk to your IT to have them remove those settings for you.